Hello everyone, my name is Kaylee Paget. I am 9 years old and a member of Clay County 4-H. This is my 4-H holiday bake-off. This video is about my mom's homemade pear cobbler. So to get started, ingredients for crust: 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a dash of cinnamon. Ingredients for filling: non-stick spray, a 1 stick butter melted, 13 by 9 baking dish.
The pears.
24 ounces of pears not dry.
You're scared.
Then you will need your 13 by 9 dish spray. Spray, then add the pears to the butter. And butter to the dish. Then pour the crust to mix pears. Then it will bake for 1 hour and 30 minutes. The pear cobbler is now finished, and I will show you how it is cooked.